What is up? Lock picking newbie here, and I just got back from Lowe's and picked up a Reliabilt single-cylinder deadbolt. I think this might be Lowe's house brand. Anyhow, it was like 14 bucks. Figured out let's give it a try, see what happens. I broke my rake pick earlier this week on a master lock, and I'm going to have to try something different. Won't be able to use the rake. Let's get this opened up and get this out of the package and see what we've got. I like the finish on this lock. It's got the RB logo right on the front of it, and some pretty good bitting on that key. So I'm not sure a rake will work on that to begin with. But let's get it in the vise and give it a whirl. Got the key and spins either way, clockwise or counterclockwise. Now it's locked. Let's see what we get. Like I said, I broke my rake pick earlier in the week, so I've got to order some new picks. I think what I'm going to try is this on this lock and see what happens. Let's go with top of the keyway. Actually, this would be bottom of the keyway. There we go. Let's put this down in and see what happens. And it's open, just like that. Wow, okay. That was pretty easy. Open it right up, and it's locked again. So, the old Reliabilt single-cylinder deadbolt picked with my Banggoods $24 pick set, just like that. A newbie can do it. That's all I've got for this video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, and we'll catch you next time. The Lock Picking Newbie out.